Alright, so currently, as you can see, my account balance here is over 0.1 BNB, which is above $2,000 worth of Bitcoin, and I have earned all this on this very platform. In this very video, I'll be showing you how you can use this free website and earn some free cryptocurrency for yourself. And when I mean cryptocurrency, I mean Bitcoins, guys. You just need to use this browser and you'll be rewarded some free Bitcoin. This strategy is very simple and anyone can even use it. Even a 4-year-old can use the same strategy and earn for himself. So as you can see, I have made 0.1 to 112 BTC, which is about $2,000, guys. But guys, this method is absolutely free. Sometimes to get up to $2,000 using this particular method. However, you just need to be patient and consistent and using this browser all this time so that you can keep on earning free Bitcoins. Also, you can set this up using your mobile device, be it an Android or an iPhone. You just need to be using this particular browser always on your device and you'll be consistently getting paid. You'll be paid in Bitcoins, guys. So if you are really pumped about this and if you love cryptocurrency as a whole, pause this video right now and like this video, and I will really appreciate that. Also, guys, if you have not yet subscribed, hit the red subscribe button because every day we drop a new video that can help earn some loads and amounts of cryptocurrency, be it in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Binance, and so on. So if you want to stay updated on the best cryptocurrency platforms that will instantly pay you a lots and lots of crypto directly into your wallet address, give this video a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button. So let's jump right into this video. What we are going to be talking about today is the CryptoTab browser. The CryptoTab browser is just like any other browser, as in that of the Google, Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, the Safari, the Opera Mini, the UC browser, and many more. But actually, the difference between the CryptoTab browser and any other browser out there is that this CryptoTab browser pays you Bitcoin for you to simply use it, and they do pay, and you can withdraw your earnings instantly, and then I'm withdrawing profits from this particular platform, guys. So this is the homepage. You need to get into this browser. Please make sure you use the correct sign up link in the description of this video. So just go over to the description of this video right now. You'll see the sign up link over there. Get into that sign up link and you get into that sign up link and you move over to this homepage right here. So on the homepage, you'll be directed to instantly download the browser. This is an application we will be running our system and it will be making profit for us. So simply click on download. Now we have successfully downloaded this website. How do we now start earning? To start earning tons of Bitcoins in this particular platform, you will need to do only two things, guys. It just involves the setup of accounts. With these two important steps, you will start earning a lot of cryptocurrency on this particular browser, guys. Just make sure that the crypto browser is set as your default browser. This is so because the CryptoTab browser will only pay you free Bitcoin if you use this particular browser. If you don't use this browser, if you download this browser, install it into your device and you do not use it, you just leave it in the background, then you will not be earning any amount of Bitcoin. So you need to set the CryptoTab browser as your default browser. You need to always be using it anytime you want to make research, watch videos, or just check up anything on the internet. Make sure you use your CryptoTab browser. So which is very important. The most important step in setting up your account is to simply start up the process of earning. The CryptoTab browser website pays you Bitcoin based on mining. It mines Bitcoin for you within the background of anything you're doing. But however, for you to mine this Bitcoin for you, you need to be using this website as well. So it pays you one for using the website and also it mines Bitcoin. That is an extra income added to your account balance. In order for you to start up the miner, and you should always start up the miner whenever you want to use this browser. Okay, right now for better explanation of step 2, I have opened a free account so I can illustrate better to you what you need to do in order to start earning. It is very simple. To start earning on this platform, over here at mining speed, set it at on. Very good, and immediately it starts mining for you. Also, you can refer your friends and family and you tend to earn a certain amount of commission from each referral you make. Just make sure you put on this miner and always use this browser for any internet research or internet activity you wish to do. I have already mined close to 0.0007 Bitcoin Just right now, I started my account, and if you keep on mining, you tend to earn more. Always remember to use the browser. One more thing, guys, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys on my very next video.